Hi, I'm Eric.
And I'm David, and this week on Magicians React, we are reacting to commercial magic.
What he means is we're reacting to magic that have been in advertisements.
Yeah.
And stick around to the end to find out the video theme that I chose for the commercials. First up, David, I want you to check this one out. This is from McDonald's.
Okay. Is that who I think it is? Yes, it is.
Alles okay?
Oh, ich glaube, ich brauche einen Big Mac.
No problem. Big Mac.
Oh, wow.
It's magic.
I'm in love with this video, not just because there's the great head chopper illusion. Actually, I don't even remember the name of this one, where you pull the head to the side. But the fact that after her head is removed and set to the side, that's when they go for the commercial punch of, can you get me a Big Mac?
Yeah, well, I also wonder, how would she eat the Big Mac if her head's way over here and body's over here? Would it still like digest right through, or like? And
then the absolutely no apparent reason that we are floating the Big Mac through the hoop, which is, I'm here for it.
I like it. Big Macs are kind of magical.
I'm absolutely here for this entire thing.
No, this one was really good. No, I like this a lot. My video coming up next, I believe this one is from a menswear company. It was a Christmas advertisement for them. It's got a lot of magic. Let's just take a look at this one coming up. Now, what I really like about this one is it started out with a lot of things we've seen, some products we've seen. I think one of our own, the Raven, was in there.
Yeah.
But then it started slowly getting to things that were more and more impossible before we realized, oh, he is using camera tricks, and this lights a Christmas tree off at the end.
Oh, yeah.
I think it mixed just camera tricks and real magic really well, and the way it built towards the camera tricks, I think, was just really cool.
I completely agree with you. I do love the fact that we're mixing real sleight of hand and real gimmicks with this like slowly more and more CGI. And also, is he like, I don't understand if the magic is happening because they're in such fine suits, or if because like the magic is what enhances the suit.
Right.
But this Flash Cash by Pat Page looks great.
Yeah.
However, you cannot throw it in the air like that without revealing the secret.
No, you cannot. And I believe this is this part coming up here. If it's not, I'll just mention the part. But with the cufflinks, where he just throws all the cufflinks on the table, I think that might be sleight of hand. But anyway, it looks so good, and I'm like fooled by it.
Oh, that does look good.
Right? I mean, I'm going to choose to believe that was real, because if it was, it'd be super good. But
I think that people who are watching this right now should work on doing handkerchief to cufflinks.
Yeah.
That I like how the umbrella out of the hat is clearly not real, but the umbrella card stab is real.
Right. It's like, it's a weird mix of like what's real and what's not. I think that's real.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Christmas
definitely
tree? Yeah.
No, that's the classic sleight of hand Christmas tree from postcard thing.
Yeah, it closes my hour show.
All right, let's take a look at my next one here. This might start to give away my theme, but this is an insurance commercial.
Okay.
So by combining your auto and renter's insurance, we can save you $600.
$600? Wow. You're like a magician or something.
Shh. David Copperfield doesn't like it when customers say that.
Ha! So he's a magician, huh?
Okay.
Can he do this?
I remember this commercial actually.
Or this? Or how about this?
Wow. That was really impressive. I think we'll go with the $600.
Yes, we will.
Combine auto and renters with State Farm and save an average of $600.
It's too funny.
For me, this is very much like peak 90s Copperfield, hitting like some of like the top illusions, you know, the sawing in half, the floating people. I really don't think there's any like real magic in this.
No.
Like, but just I love the premise of Copperfield being annoyed that other people would be called like that an insurance agent would be called a magician.
Right. And why is it always insurance commercials that have like the funniest, most entertaining ones?
I have no idea. But what we should go for is more magic in insurance commercials.
Yes, more magic in insurance commercials. Call to action right now. If you do commercials, put more magic in them.
Speaking of call to actions, do us a favor and hit the like and subscribe button, as well as ring the bell so you'll be notified when we put up more magic videos like this. David and I and our buddy Chris react to different videos every week. We also do a number of top 10 videos. What's next on your list?
So up next for me is an ad from Coca-Cola, and I like this one because it's got a lot of real magic, not much CGI, but let's hit that now.
Here's your order.
I think you got it wrong. I ordered a Coca-Cola Zero.
No problem. I can give you 0 sugar, 0 calories, and a great Coca-Cola taste. Here's the Coca-Cola Zero you ordered.
Oh my God.
Do it again.
You still look like you need a Coca-Cola. Why don't you sneak inside your bag? Enjoy.
That looked great.
That looked really good. Yeah, I really liked the crushing it in the paper. I think that was my favorite thing, just because I know that's exactly what that looks like in real life.
I think almost all of this is practical.
Yeah, I think the only thing that isn't is when she pulls the can out of her bag like it appeared there.
Yeah.
But I think the
like this right here.
Yeah,
like,
it looks so good.
That looks really good.
Yeah, that's by far my favorite part of this one.
And I have to say, like coming up here in just a moment, so that like, I don't even think that's magic. I think that's just like her pulling a Coke can out. But that looks really good.
Oh, it looks incredible, and I like how they put the logo like the same size right over it at the end.
Yeah. You know, this actually reminds me, I think Ekaterina did a couple of magic videos for Coca-Cola where she was like levitating the bottle cap off.
Oh yeah.
She talks about it in her Penguin Live lecture, which is really good. But that was great practical magic.
Yeah.
Like stuff you're not really expecting to happen.
Definitely.
Also, I think that Coke can transformation is real too.
I think that's the same as like the Pringle thing.
Yes.
Looks really good.
Now we're gonna roll into my third video here. Let's see if you can figure out the theme that I chose for mine. But this is an older commercial from Kodak.
Let's see. I've got an idea what it might be.
Kodak's magical new Kodamatic 980L instant camera lets you do the impossible. Watch. Whenever the light's not quite right, it automatically adds just enough flash for a beautiful picture. That's magic. The Kodamatic even focuses itself. Just aim and shoot. You won't miss a trick. They say Kodamatic. I say Kodak Magic.
How do we get down?
I only know up.
We're NBC. Just watch us now.
Okay, so a couple things I like about this is, one, it's a bit of an older commercial, and the reason I actually chose this was because it's an older commercial, it's really likely that these are all practical effects.
Oh yeah.
That you could definitely do on stage. Like, yeah, it's probably being revealed to the actors or something like that.
Right.
But this is something that he would do. This is very much, and in the very beginning of the commercial, it talks about like David Copperfield, Magician of the Year. I don't know exactly like where that particular accolade is coming from, but this is very clearly early Copperfield when he's just like absolutely crushing stadium tours.
Yeah.
And so he's doing like this is what you would go see Copperfield do, and I just love that.
No, it's like perfect. It's a perfect representation of what he would do on stage. I really like that guy. He's super cool. I want to meet him.
And the dog. You're right. The dog is my spirit animal.
Oh, I meant the guy is my spirit animal.
Oh, the guy's a spirit animal?
Yeah, it's my spirit person.
Absolutely love it.
I like his mustache.
Super good. All right, you're bringing it home, man.
Yes, I've got one more video. It's also an older one. It's a 1977 Burger King ad. This is my favorite one that I picked. Let's take a look at it.
Introducing that king of fun. The one who's okay with us kids. The Magic Burger King.
In person?
Yay!
I'm the marvelous
magical Burger King. I can do most anything. Now watch me, kids, when I twist my ring like magic.
We're at Burger King! Is my magic Burger King?
I'm the marvelous magical Burger King. I can do most anything. I love magic and food that's fun. So I'll make a burger disappear, make it come back here. Turn apples into pies right before your eyes. Turn onions into rings.
As we can see.
Put a shiver in the shake. It's easy for me. I'm the marvelous magical Burger King. I can do most anything. I love magic and food that's fun. So
you got fun for everyone. Burger King, yeah!
Again, this one's old enough.
Super good.
Yeah, practical effects.
Yes.
And the balloon trick, that was really good.
The balloon trick surprised me. I mean, these are all, first of all, I'm not planning on competing at FISM again, but if I did, absolutely an onion ring production manipulation act is where I'm going. It's a great Dove production. I believe Mark Wilson worked on these.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense.
Because Mark Wilson actually pitched the Magical Burger King mascot. So this is actually, I did a lot of research on this for my Tony Hassini interview.
Okay.
If you listen to the Penguin Magic podcast, but the Magical Burger King was pitched by Mark Wilson, and Nanny Wilson was often in a suit. That's obviously not his wife, Nanny Wilson, it's somebody else. But Mark Wilson trained a bunch of different magicians to be Magical Burger Kings to compete with Ronald McDonald at the time.
Oh wow, because Ronald McDonald was doing magic.
Yeah.
Well, he did really good job. That, like you said, the dub production was good. Everything in here was done really well.
Yeah, it's an amazing video.
Yeah.
I'm super glad that you picked that.
Oh, and I've got that song stuck in my head now. Oh, magical.
Well, do us a favor and let us know in the comments below the magic in commercials or magic in advertisements that are your favorites.
Yeah, and once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Magicians React.
Thanks so much for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.